Hey friends, let's start with a beautiful evergreen base. We added a little extra greenery and we're going in with a little bit of 21-inch mesh. I like to ruffle it just in the center as I am prepping the base for what's coming next. So I just looped it down twice, and once I cut it, I kind of folded it in nicely so that you don't see the cut mesh. We're going to go ahead and make a really nice bow. And don't worry, I'm going to put the link below so you can see how I make this bow step by step in my YouTube channel. I used the red base. It's a 4-inch with green in the back, and it's a velvet ribbon. And there it is. Our bow is in. Let's fluff and fluff, and we're going to do lots of that. And we're going to cut the tails a little bit. I don't want to cut them too short in case my design needs a little longer of a tail. We're going to decide where these tails are going. And knowing what design I'm doing and what colors I'm putting on there, then I'm bringing my tails where I would like them to go for the extra color. We're going to go in with the red jewel. Look how gorgeous she is. Oh, just beautiful. Place her in nicely. And we're going to add in a green one. They are two different shapes. I just wanted it a little bit of different look. I'm adding in some extra greenery. I want the base of my swag to be a little extra fluffy. Just keep adding the greenery, and I'm using my glue pot so everything is nice and secured in there. And while adding the greenery, we make sure that we maintain the shape of our swag. Now I'm going in with some really bright gold and sparkly leaves, making sure that you put them throughout your design evenly. And all the way down to the base of our swag. And bring that gold all the way down. And next we're going to go in with some beautiful red magnolias. They are a little sparkly, so they of course add a nice extra touch. Next, I'm going in with some gold berries that I cut to the length needed to fit my design. I'm also inserting some red velvet magnolia leaves, just a little bit of touch without changing the shape of our swag. And there she is. But I needed a little some extra. So I added a few more leaves, but I also went in adding a couple of extra green tails. I felt that pretty ribbon needed to be all over my beautiful swag. So I just added a couple of extra tails and brought it all the way down. And there we go, our gorgeous red and green sparkly garland. Hope you enjoyed.